Thank you to the folks over at AVAWO for sending me this case to show how I'll install it and use it on my iPad, as well as to share my thoughts about the product. This case comes with instructions that are clear and to the point. And this is a high quality case with two layers of protection consisting of an inner hard plastic encasement and an outer silicone shell. There's also a built in stand for both portrait and landscape viewing. To install the case, separate the outer silicone shell from the inner plastic encasement. Next, open the plastic encasement by pulling the top and bottom pieces of it apart from the bottom edge where that large notch is located. Nest your tablet inside the bottom half of the plastic, making sure to line up the bottom of your tablet with the notch that accommodates the charging port. Next, you place the top half of that plastic part on top of your tablet, making sure that the orientation is correct for your tablet's buttons and camera lens. Then, once you're sure that everything is aligned, put everything on a sturdy flat surface and firmly snap the plastic encasement closed around your tablet. You need to press quite firmly and you'll feel it when it's clicked into place. Finally, place the whole thing into the silicone shell, making sure that you're installing it in the correct orientation and that all of the ports and the buttons are in alignment. This case fits my 7th gen iPad perfectly with all of the buttons and parts functioning properly. The built-in stand works great and it holds my tablet at just the right angle whether I'm viewing horizontally or vertically. I'm really impressed with the protection that this case offers. The inner plastic part of it combined with the silicone shell offer amazing protection against drops. And also the edges and corners are protected without adding bulk to this case. And the bevel design in the front of the case protects the screen from scratches if you place your tablet face down. So if you're looking for a sleek and attractive case that protects your iPad from drops and scrapes and offers different viewing angles, all while keeping full functionality, I 100% recommend this case.